After years of addiction and self-destruction, John hit rock bottom. He lost his job, his home, and his family, and was on the verge of giving up completely. But then, he was offered a second chance. John's old friend, Matt, reached out to him and offered him a job at his construction company. Although skeptical at first, John eventually accepted the offer and began to work hard to turn his life around. At first, it wasn't easy. John had to work long hours and face the shame of his past mistakes. But with time, he started to build a new life for himself. He reconnected with his family and began to make amends for the hurt he had caused them. As John worked on construction sites, he discovered that he had a natural talent for carpentry. Matt noticed his potential and encouraged him to pursue his passion. John took night classes and eventually earned his certification as a carpenter. With his newfound skills, John started his own business, specializing in custom woodworking. His business was a success, and he found joy and fulfillment in creating beautiful pieces for his clients. Looking back on his journey, John knew that he had been given a second chance at life. He was grateful for the support of his friend Matt and for the opportunity to turn his life around. And although he knew that he could never change the past, he felt proud of the person he had become and the second chance he had been given.